Healthy Forever presents 10 super healthy seeds that you should eat. Seeds and some nuts are perfect for keto treats and to add into your food for fillers. Here is a list of the top 10 seeds and nuts that are low carb and keto friendly. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. First off, flax seeds. These seeds are wonderful for your gut health. They're completely loaded with fiber. Just make sure to eat them ground up so that you can get the full benefits that these tiny seeds have to offer. They, like chia seeds, can be added to any keto recipe for that extra nutrition. Speaking of chia seeds, as with flax seeds, these tiny little seeds can be added to any keto recipe that you choose. They are also loaded with nutrition and fiber, and a lot of people make pudding and even low-carb jam with chia seeds. Next up, poppy seeds. Most of us have already eaten poppy seeds since they can be found on muffins and bagels of all kinds. But what most of you do not know is that poppy seeds are low-carb, keto-friendly, high in nutrition, and high in fiber. They also promote a better night's sleep and can help with anxiety. These are perfect to top homemade keto bagels with. Fourth, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are another fabulous choice to add to your keto recipe, as they're rich in fiber and low in carbs. But along with adding them to keto recipes, these can be eaten by themselves. They make for a tasty snack when roasted with other low-carb seeds and nuts. Next up, we have sesame seeds. I love using sesame seeds to top almost any of my keto dishes. My favorite is homemade keto sliders. You can look up the recipe for keto cloud bread and top it with some sesame seeds. They have such a delicious and unique flavor to them. These seeds are great for your bones as they are also high in fiber and have properties of anti-inflammatories. Another plus side is that they are wonderful for digestion. Next, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are absolutely delicious. Just make sure you buy them in the shells. This way you don't end up eating too much. I add sunflower seeds to any baked keto goods that I make. They're great on keto bagels too, which give them a nutty flavor with a bit of a crunch. They are also wonderful sources of vitamin E, fiber, and iron. Hemp seeds. In addition to being completely loaded with nutrition, they will also supply you with healthy fats and a great amount of protein that you need for your daily functions. Manganese, magnesium, and vitamin E are also packed into these seeds, so you can't go wrong with adding them into your diet. Pecans. Pecans are also extremely low in carbs, well, when you don't put them into a dessert. They provide you with lots of vitamins such as zinc, thiamine, phosphorus, and magnesium. 2 ounces of tree nuts a day can help greatly reduce your blood pressure and help with some of the heart disease risks. Macadamia nuts. Another low-carb nut that is high in fats and the perfect source for iron, vitamin B, manganese, magnesium, and copper. Personally, I love the buttery taste of these macadamia nuts, as they are loaded with monosaturated fats, which will reduce your cholesterol for better heart health. Finally, Brazil nuts. Yes, these nuts are huge compared to others, but they are still low carb and can add so many important types of nutrition to your diet, especially selenium. Selenium is great for metabolism, immune response, and DNA. It's needed for your thyroid health too. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our new shows. Also, be sure to check out some of our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.